Ciao and welcome to Simple Italian Cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an Italian almond cake. Are you ready to get started? Alright, let's go. In a large mixing bowl, mix half a cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of sugar. Beat on low speed for about 1 minute until well blended. Next, add in the ricotta cheese, which is 1½ cups, and make sure it's whole ricotta, and mix on low for 4 more minutes until it is very smooth and creamy. Combine all your wet ingredients, which is 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and add to the ricotta mixture and beat for 1 more minute on low speed. Next, add the dry ingredients to the ricotta and butter mixture and mix until fully blended, about 30 seconds. That'll be 1 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Pour the mixture into a greased spring form pan that is coated with flour. Place in the middle rack of an oven and bake for 50 minutes at 350 degrees. Once the cake is done, let it cool for 10 minutes or more, making sure the sides are not sticking to the sides of the pan. If using a spring form pan, remove the pan sides. Place a cookie rack over the top of the cake, flip it upside down so it is no longer in the pan. When the cake has cooled to room temperature after about 30 minutes, transfer to a plate so it's right side up. Sprinkle the almond slices over the top, gently pressing down, this is mostly for appearance, and then sprinkle the powdered sugar over top using a sifter. The almond slices may not stick very well to the cake, it is mainly for decoration. I use 1/2 cup of sliced almonds and powdered sugar as needed. And that, my friends, is how you make an Italian almond cake. For the full printable recipe, click the link below, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy!